You know how every listing always says spacious two-bedroom apartment, but it never actually is?
Until you find this one.
Welcome to 310 Lexington Avenue, apartment 10G, a true two-bedroom, two-bath that actually delivers on space.
Approximately 1,250 square feet, and you get it all. Living, dining, and entertaining with no compromise.
You've got laundry in unit, tons of closets, and plenty of natural light.
All in a full-service building with a beautifully landscaped terrace, a roof deck, and a full-time doorman.
At this price in prime Murray Hill, this is serious value for its size.
It's the rare New York combo. You get space, comfort, location, and value.
Come check out 10G. It's different. I'm Russell.
And I'm David, and we're the Rosen team at Sirhant. We are the key.